Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up KakaoTalk for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to make sure of is that KakaoTalk is installed on your device. If not, head over to Play Store and then in the search bar simply type in Kakao and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Install the Kakao app on your device. After you've installed it on your device, open up the app drawer and then look for KakaoTalk. Open up the KakaoTalk app on your device, confirm, and then here you must enter your email or phone number along with your password and then hit login if you already have an account. If not, simply hit sign up. Agree to all the terms and conditions. You can uncheck all the optional options and then hit agree and continue. Enter your phone number, hit OK again, after which a verification code will be sent to you after you tap on send verification message, and then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to set up your KakaoTalk account and use KakaoTalk. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.